Crazy Circuits components are a great way to light up existing LEGO projects. We found some plans online for building a skull. We followed those directions, only we built ours out of clear bricks. Next, we made a short post from Legos and covered it with Crazy Circuits mini LEDs. The LEDs are connected together with conductive maker tape and powered by a AA battery pack. The skull is hollow, so we just have to place it over the post and turn off the lights. We used blue LEDs for an alien crystal skull, but you could go crazy by using other colors as well. What LEGO project would you light up with Crazy Circuits? Let us know in the comments. And as always, like and subscribe to this channel for more great projects, and come visit us at browndoggadgets.com.